states can go head-to-head with the NSA by exploiting a serious Achilles heel. In 2006, reports surfaced indicating that the NSA had maxed out capacity of the Baltimore area power grid. Insiders said, "The NSA is already unable to install some costly and sophisticated new equipment. At minimum, the problem could produce disruptions leading to outages and power surges. At worst, it could force a virtual shutdown of the agency." In other words, the NSA has an Achilles heel. To get around its power problem, the agency started searching for additional locations. Due to cheap utilities, primarily water, the NSA built a massive facility in Bluffdale, Utah. The water-cooled supercomputers there require millions of gallons of water every month to stay cool and functional. That water is provided by a political subdivision of the state of Utah, but they don't have to do it. As advised by James Madison in Federalist No. 46 and supported by the Supreme Court in the Anti-Commandeering Doctrine, the states, including their political subdivisions, are not required to provide manpower or resources to help implement federal programs. In other words, Utah can turn that water off. No water equals no NSA data center. But it's not just Utah. The agency built the Texas Cryptologic Center in San Antonio primarily due to the state's independent power grid. The electricity there is provided exclusively by a city-owned power company. The Threat Operations Center in Augusta, Georgia, has its water and even sewage treatment provided by local government services. NSA also has facilities in Colorado, Washington State, West Virginia, Tennessee, and Hawaii. A state-level Fourth Amendment Protection Act prohibits a state and its political subdivisions from providing material support or resources to NSA facilities. This could apply to anything from water or electricity to traffic control, snow removal, and even sewage treatment. In states with NSA facilities, the act could either ban renewal of existing contracts or in some cases even void current ones. In states without facilities, the legislation might be even more important. With increasing resource requirements, the NSA will certainly continue expanding to new locations. Banning material support or resources right now would prohibit new facilities from ever getting out of the planning stage. The question most people ask, of course, is this: can it actually work? Well, it already has, and we'll share that story next.